shefu zvavataura vari kumutauro vakati kana temu dzangu mbiri dzakwana ndakuda kunodini ndakuda hangu kuti ndisire vari kufamba mutsoka dzani vakati achapedzisa vhishini yangu handiti zvino masvingo iya iri kuti kwete ngavarambe vachidini zvino ndonoti chii kuna president ndonoti president masvingo eriti ivo vachitodawo kunozorora
Masquera saying Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel, Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Can I get the channel? Please don't forget to subscribe. Subscriber. Don't forget to comment and share this video. That's why Zimbabwe tapigira buritswa nema political analysts ma political rivals a President Mnangagwa. Mabuda story vachiti Mnangagwa have my intentions to step down from power at the end of his presidential term limit Europera in 2028. Recently, President Mnangagwa wakabuda vachitaura vachiti he is going to resign according respect the constitution of Zimbabwe. Asi zvisinei pane space debate yanga ine title yanzi Mnangagwa succession is the ED 2030 campaign dead in the water yanga organized on Newsday muswe Thursday ma commentators akabuda achitaura vachiti President Mnangagwa he was not being honest wakabuda achitaura vachiti vakuda kuresign. So the MDCT led leader Douglas Monzora akabuda achitaura vachiti President Mnangagwa anokomita to step down as the president wenyika but he is willing to step down as the leader of political party as an OPF, but he's not going to resign as the president. The opinion is that President Mnangagwa said, I'm not going to run for a third term as Zimbabwean president. That is not what President Mnangagwa said. He said he would not stand again as an OPF president. He did not talk of the national presidency, and this is where people are being taken for a ride. And if the president believed that he was ruling out running for national presidency, he would have said that. So you don't need to be a president of a political party to be elected president of a country. Former foreign affairs minister Vauta Muzembi au South Africa vakabuda vachitaura vachiti Mnangagwa has cleverly punched the ball, so we are playing a deflated ball, all of us, because he has taken the steam out of the debate by announcing that I will abide by the constitution and depart at the stage by 2028. However, the politics is speaking to a different ballgame. Two fundamental questions arise when an extension is sought, whether legal or illegal, and in this case unconstitutional. And you either have been playing the game very well to the enjoyment and satisfaction of your audience, which then demands an angle that they want more of you, or secondly, you are as in the game of football, in a deadlock, and then extra time determines the result. Political analyst Inzwai Zvataurwa PaNyaya first, for ZANU-PF, it has never passed on power from one leader to another peacefully through a congress while the other leader is still in office. That has never happened since 1980. They must do so. As a country also, we have never done that. We must do so. This is the legacy that will live longer. We must learn a new way of doing things, passing power from one to the other peacefully, as outlined in the constitution of Zimbabwe. Ndozvakabuda achitaura kutaura kwatiri kuita the ZANU-PF Director of Information Farai Marapira akadismissa masuggestions ekuti President Emmerson Mnangagwa adauramba vari pachigaro. Buda achiti, my president has spoken not just last week, as Mr. Mzembe is unfortunately saying that he made a U-turn last week. He is not interested in a third term. What then happens is that our internal democracy, maybe Mr. Mzembe has not seen that ZANU-PF has taken a big turn to democracy. People are allowed to speak their minds, and we do not punish or chase out people for speaking out their minds, even if the president has been saying something different. We are a party in which president listens and allow people to speak their minds. This must be a phenomenon to him, because when he had his time, there was no tolerance for people to speak their minds. Zvataurwa na Farai Marapira muri Zimbabwe tisingazivi munoona sei nyaya iyi kutaura kwatiri kuita zvinomira mushe. There is a group yemaZANU-PF supporters avo vari kuMasvingo vabuda vachitaura vachiti they will make sure kuti President Emmerson Mnangagwa vatonga beyond 2028. Izvo zvabuda zvichiisa Vice President Chiwenga in a position isiri kunzwisisika nokuti he is the one akunzi the favorite candidate achareplace President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Tisingaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi. Tudziwe zvatiri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi comment section. Pane audio yatakuvigirai masupporters ZANU-PF vachitaura ivo vachiti they want President Emmerson Mnangagwa kuti vatonge beyond 2028. Inzwai audio yemuhamadza zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
Shefu zvavataura vari mukutano vakati kana temu dzangu mbiri dzakwana ndakuda kunodini ndakuda hangu kuti ndisire vari kufamba mutsoka dzani vakati achapedzisa vhishini yavo handiti zvino masvingo iya iri kuti kwete ngavarambe vachidini zvino ndonoti chii kuna president ndonoti president masvingoeriti ivo vachizodawo kunozorora haleluya. Varume muri kundipa mutoro unorema asi mutoro hangu ndichatapura.